I see this laid back. That's laid back. The district turned up right now. They turned up. I seen a girl out there with no drawers on and some dirty ass skirt. YouTube, G-shot it back again with another video. Boy, they out here deep. That's what I need to do, drive through. Why I can't drive through? Well, y'all got a lot for y'all today.
Yeah, man.
Good God.
Yeah, man, where y'all coming from? They came out here early to clean this all out. They had the tow trucks out here.
They still towing them?
They towing them in some places. They made an announcement in there. Where y'all park?
Right there.
Which one is your car?
The gray one?
Still.
Right there?
Yep.
Man, hey. They was out here earlier, so we had everybody to move. Park all right here. Yeah, right there.
And now everybody parking back down.
Which car is yours?
That first one right here.
So they're gonna make another announcement, man. If I wanted to kind of play it by ear, man, see y'all here now.
Behind that. Yeah,
They started announcing on the mic like they did about an hour ago. Yeah. Saying, hey, y'all better come move your car there.
Oh, I'm gonna get up out of here. Y'all heard it. They towing you off. That'll be ugly, BJ. But YouTube, G-shot it back again with another video. Boy, so much going on out here. It's ridiculous. Hey, look, the messed up part is, I don't even know where they at.
Yeah, I paid. You coming to ask them where you though.
Hey.
You know when they deep.
Hey man, I think we need to post up right in here. Yeah, cause if they get to tripping, we can dip. I'm gonna post up. Hold on, I'm gonna use it right here to go up on this thing though. Well, they got cars everywhere. So they won't answer the phone, man. I don't know what to do. So they walking from back that way. No, I think her phone in here. Did she get it?
I told her to get it.
Bro.
I told her to get it.
Hey, man, you got seats. Alright, so what you think? This would be the best spot?
Probably towards the top.
I'm talking about right here. Yeah, because if they get to tripping, talking about to move your car. But then who gonna watch everything? That's the thing. We ain't got nobody to watch shit. Let me try to call them again. I'm gonna let the camera roll though. Hey, thick out here, y'all. Look at this. Everywhere. why she didn't take her phone with her.
God damn! She pulled it out.
Hello? What been in here? But I don't know where y'all want to sit because they talking about towing people cars. That's why I parked there. We might have to post up right here with this car at. You see where we at? You don't see me and BJ? Well, where the hell y'all want to put this stuff at? Well, you can walk up here. I don't know where y'all want to sit at. They somewhere back there. Back there. Man, I ain't gonna lie. All the live footage out there. Getting all the cars going by. Copyright for days up here, bro. BJ, that is a good parking spot, but I don't know how long we're gonna have it.
Where they at?
Back there somewhere. In one of them stores. I just want to be where we can hear when they talking about towing people cars. That's what I'm saying. Go, this is a perfect spot. Just chill right here in the grass and then we can walk over there.
Somebody bound to pull behind you.
I hope somebody do.
Yeah. So right now you open season.
Open season. I'm first picking.
Yeah,
They gonna get me first.
First pick of the litter.
Get him first.
That's it.
Oh, there go them. Where y'all at? Where? All the way over there? Oh yeah, let's get that car up in here. Use some of your Morrow power. Yeah. I should be able to pull up in here too. Ain't that right, BJ?
Yeah, that's right.
Missouri, you finna get hit.
Yeah, they gonna park right there. Okay.
Behind me. Let me move it.
Right there.
Just let him hit you.
Yes,
Well, they is thick out here. So what's going on over there?
What they say?
Just call them.
Well, how these people getting up in here?
They're for the car club shit.
I'm in the car club.
No, he's good right there. He's straight right there. I don't think so. He's straight right there.
Nah, they told him off earlier.
Yeah, it was told. They're down there though.
Oh, the tow truck?
Keep backing up.
Look. Look at tow truck creeping over there. Oh shit! He creeping.
Yeah, all line of cars to get first place. You gotta come to them. You ain't got nobody phone number?
Huh?
I'll stay with the baby. Well, I'm gonna get a spot. I know where we. Yeah, you and BJ gonna get a spot.
Where y'all going?
I know where to go.
Y'all see that boy get escorted in. I ain't parking on no street. I'm parking up in the mug. What y'all know about that? That's what you get for having contacts at Morrow Police Department. As soon as this damn fire truck get out the way, I'm gonna go park and get out. So I'll turn the camera back on then. VIP parking. Y'all can't get that. Everybody else out there got to park out there on the street. What? Nothing but copyrighted music. make this hit for y'all. I'm gonna record this copyrighted. Look at it right here. Where the chairs at?
For the fan too?
Y'all got the orange fan?
You didn't bring your orange fan?
No.
Here.
Huh? No. Boy, they is thick out here. Well, we posted up for now. Never copyrighted music playing. That shit lit out here.
What up? If you scared to throw it up, if you scared to throw it up, if you scared to throw it up, if you scared to throw it up. Hey yo man, next Wednesday night,
Hey, somebody got your drone.
I'm performing for the Atlanta Hawks at the draft party. The tickets cost $5, man, at Ticketmaster. It's a clean show. Bring your family, bring your friends to State Farm Arena. The ticket's $5 on Ticketmaster. Next Wednesday, man, y'all coming up. Pastor Troy performing at State Farm. I got my dog Lil Pete left us. We about to go up. Let's go. Yeah, yeah.
Put mine back in the air.
Y'all, I want y'all to turn up with me. Let me hear you say, Southside, 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 South, hey, Southside, hey, Southside, hey, Southside. Where we at? This the Southside, put it, Southside, hey, Southside. Where you? This the Southside. Whoa, whoa, Southside. Yeah. Y'all ready? Y'all know how we do this, man. I do my part, y'all do y'all part.
I'm finna go back and fly my bro.
We want y'all saying that yeah loud. Y'all know how it goes. Let's go. What the pedal, but tell the vice versa. If I turn to go to hell, would you tell I curse you? I be inverted with the truth, so you know my vein. That way I got, I'm the nigga that they love to hate. I wanna make you use your mind, God sit aside. And when you listen to these rhymes, niggas take your time. I cannot heaven was hell and vice versa. We just try to do what you want to learn. You feel it? Do you understand? There's a war. It's raining on, ain't it? That's some ammo food. Don't get it wrong. But I put my trust up in the Lord. It's too much. No, ain't got no help. Come on. I think heaven was hell and vice versa. I have no fear. I know when it's too much. Living your every gospel. We have the home. For all I need to be the devil with the waterfall. Take back. I'm not niggas keep me from trying to enter. Battle alone. Everything we get is. As long as I'm going wrong, we're gonna stick the baby. If I get back to something, I get that next thing I can say. Y'all know the truth. Nobody knows the truth.
Oh, y'all done came back. I'm just walking around. Well, they got the food out here. flying the drone.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of straight though.
Yeah, it's real straight. Yeah.
Well, say what's up to the vlog,
Hey,
man.
what's happening, y'all? It's your boy Too Creative checking in with G Shot It. I'm talking about we got a real entertainment. We got doggone. We got the whole squad out here. Real, for real. Dreaded Truth. Hey, what's happening? Let's get it. Motion.
I know one thing, get dog. Oh boy, I parked over there.
Oh, okay. That was close though.
I got in.
Okay. Hey, you can't lose.
Hey, I went out there and got it. I'm right over there.
Part of the car show too.
Hey, boy. I'm parked over there with the police.
Okay. You be part of the thumbnail, so.
I'm gonna figure it out. Damn, so lit. Hey, we want to just walk around? Film all the eye candy.
We got that much cracker in the house. It's going up on the south side. Y'all turn up, let's go.
Oh, you was up front?
We've been rocking this.
Somebody got a drone sitting right there. He recording the whole thing.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah, lit out here. Uh-oh. Thought I seen some lightning, boy. Hey, y'all should have been out here tonight. This thing lit. We got Star Paul looking like boo-boo. Everybody at Star Paul need to come down here. That boy out here. That boy BJ out here. Motherfuckers all on the ground. Look like it's a picnic. Eat my shorts. That's what it sounds like.
Hell no.
Eat my shorts.
She like, boy, you bad, boy, you make me weak.
YouTube, is this your first time checking out my channel? Hit the like and subscribe button. Follow me for more content. I'm about to get up out of here. I want to throw one.
Don't do that.
Right here.